Welcome to the part 1 of our series on career paths for chemical engineers. In this video, we will explore the diverse and exciting roles that chemical engineers can pursue in various industries. Let it be from designing industrial processes to safeguarding workplace safety, chemical engineers have a wide array of opportunities. So, watch the video till the very end and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. So, let's begin. The very first and the most common role that you can have in the industry as a chemical engineer is that of a process engineer. A process engineer is basically someone who focuses on designing, optimizing, and managing industrial processes to ensure that they run efficiently, safely, and cost effectively. So, what exactly does a process engineer do? Well, imagine someone who is in charge of making sure that the industrial processes, like the ones in a factory, run smoothly, efficiently, and without breaking the bank. It's all about designing and fine-tuning these processes so they're not just safe but also cost-effective. And a big part of the job involves diving into process data to figure out what's working and what's not, and then finding ways to make things run even better. This could mean tweaking something very small or making a big change to boost productivity or cut down on the waste. And here's the thing, process engineers aren't just thinking about the big picture, they're also hands-on when it comes to scaling up a process. Let's say a company has a great idea in the lab. The process engineer is the one who helps turn that small-scale success into a full-blown production process, all while making sure that everything meets the necessary safety and quality standards. Therefore, undoubtedly, process engineers are always high in demand across various industries, such as the chemical industry. In the chemical industry, process engineers design and optimize processes involving chemical reactions, separations, and heat transfer. In other words, they ensure the efficient production by scaling up reactions and selecting the best methods for separating products. Their work focuses on maximizing yields, minimizing energy use, and improving the overall process efficiency while maintaining safety and environmental standards. Additionally, process engineers working in the oil and gas sector optimize refining and extraction processes by improving the efficiency of crude oil refining, natural gas processing, and the separation of valuable products like fuels and chemicals. On top of that, they work to minimize energy consumption and ensure the safe and cost-effective operation of the facilities. And finally, process engineers are also employed within the pharmaceutical sector, where they play a crucial role in the development of efficient production processes for drugs and healthcare products. They focus on scaling up drug manufacturing from lab to industrial scale, ensuring consistent product quality, meeting regulatory standards while still minimizing the cost and the waste. Another role that chemical engineers can have in the industry is that of a manufacturing engineer. A manufacturing engineer is defined as a professional who specializes in designing, implementing, and improving manufacturing processes to enhance efficiency, quality, and safety. But let's break down what exactly does a manufacturing engineer does. Imagine someone who's like the mastermind behind how products are made in a factory. They are the ones figuring out how to make the whole process as efficient, high quality, and safe as possible. It is their job to choose the right technologies, streamline workflows, and make sure that everything runs like clockwork on the production floor. But it's not just about keeping things moving smoothly, they're also always on top of lookout for ways to cut the costs, reduce waste, while still maintaining product quality. For instance, think about a manufacturing engineer working in an automotive plant. They might be the person who figure out how to tweak the assembly line to produce cars faster and with fewer defects, all while ensuring that safety standards are never compromised. Maybe they will find a way to switch to a new robotic system that's faster and more precise, saving time and money while still delivering top-notch vehicles. Another industry where manufacturing engineers are employed could be the aerospace industry, where they focus on designing and improving processes for producing aircraft components and systems. Their role is crucial in ensuring that the intricate parts such as engines and structural components are produced to meet the high safety and performance standards. This requires precision and innovation, as even minor flaws can have significant implication in terms of aircraft functionality and safety. And that's not all, because you will also find manufacturing engineers within the electronics industry where they streamline the production of complex devices like smartphones, computers, and other consumer electronics. They work to optimize the assembly line and integration of components, ensuring that devices are produced quickly and at scale while maintaining functionality and reliability. Their expertise helps manufacturers meet the increasing demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient electronic devices. Another role that chemical engineers can take on in the industry is that of a quality engineer. A quality engineer is defined as a professional dedicated to ensuring that products and processes meet the predefined quality standards and specifications. So let's talk about exactly what a quality engineer does. Imagine them as the guardians of the product quality. They are the ones making sure that everything coming off the production line meets the strict standards and specifications. It is their job to develop quality control procedures, run inspection tests, and dig into data to spot any areas where things could be better. In short, quality engineers are all about making sure products are reliable, safe, and most importantly, compliant with industry regulations. Hence, they are the ones making sure that the products reach the customers by preventing defects. For example, imagine a quality engineer working in the pharmaceutical company. They might be responsible for ensuring that every batch of medication is produced to exacting standards with the right dosage and purity levels. If there is a problem, like a batch of tablets does not meet the required purity level, the quality engineer steps in to investigate. They will figure out what went wrong, correct the issue, and adjust the process to prevent it from happening ever again. Their work is crucial in making sure that every pill, cream, or injection being produced in that factory is safe and effective for patients, because there is no room for error. For example, think of a quality engineer working in the food and the beverage industry. In this industry, quality engineers monitor production processes to ensure that products are consistently safe for consumption and meet regulatory standards. They may enforce quality control measures, conduct inspections, and verify that the processes used in manufacturing comply with food safety laws and guidelines, ensuring that consumers receive safe and high quality products. Another job title that chemical engineers can take on in the industry is that of a safety engineer. Now, the textbook definition of a safety engineer is that of a professional who focuses on designing and implementing safety protocols to protect workers, equipment, and the environment in industrial settings. Now, picture someone who's all about keeping people, equipment, and the environment safe in an industrial setting. That's a safety engineer, sort of an industrial superhero. Their main job is to design and implement safety protocols that protect everyone involved in a company's operations. They are the ones conducting risk assessment and supporting potential hazards before they become a real problem, and coming up with strategies to minimize those risks. Safety engineers are also responsible for making sure that everything and everyone complies with the health and safety regulations, and they're the go-to person when it comes to investigating incidents and figuring out how to prevent them in the future. Most important thing that you have to remember is that safety engineers don't just react to problems to mitigate the aftermath of incidents, but rather they are proactively promoting a culture of safety across the organization to prevent anything from happening. And therefore, this role is vital in preventing accidents, reducing liability, and making sure that the entire operation runs safely and smoothly. For example, imagine a safety engineer working in the chemical plant. They might be responsible for assessing the risks associated with handling hazardous materials, ensuring that proper protective gear is used, and that safety protocols are strictly followed. If there's a spill or an accident, they are the ones who lead the investigation to determine what happened, how to clean it up safely, and what changes need to be made to prevent it from ever happening again. Like I said earlier, it's all about keeping everyone safe and running the operations without a hitch. Another high-risk industry where safety engineers are employed in bulk is that the oil and gas industry, where safety engineers focus on preventing accidents during drilling, extraction, and refining. They manage risks associated to explosions, gas leaks, and equipment failures, ensuring that operations are conducted safely to protect both the workers and the environment. Another industry where safety engineers are hired a lot is the mining industry. And safety engineers once again work to minimize hazards related to extraction of minerals and other resources. They focus on preventing cave-ins, managing ventilation systems to reduce exposure to harmful gases, and ensuring that the workers use proper safety equipment. Another job title for chemical engineers in the industry could be the process control engineer. The textbook definition of a process control engineer is that of a professional who focuses on designing, implementing, and maintaining control systems to ensure that industrial processes operate efficiently and reliably. Imagine someone whose primary focus is ensuring that industrial processes run smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. That's a process control engineer. Their main job is to design and implement control systems that regulate and optimize various production processes within an industrial setting. They are the ones monitoring key variables such as temperature, pressure, and flow rates to keep everything within the desired range, preventing problems, inefficiencies, and malfunctions. Therefore, process control engineers don't just respond to issues, but just like safety engineers, they are proactively working to prevent problems before they occur by continuously analyzing and adjusting processes. They help maintain stability and ensure that operations are running at their most efficient level. For instance, imagine a process control engineer working in a chemical processing plant. They might be responsible for designing control systems that keep the production of chemicals stable, ensuring the right amounts of pressure, temperature, and chemical flows, and if something starts to deviate from optimal conditions, they are the ones who adjust the settings or troubleshoot the issue to get things back on track. It's all about making sure the process runs safely, efficiently, and consistently. Another industry where you will mostly find process control engineers is the oil and gas industry, where they play a key role in refineries and petrochemical plants, where they oversee systems and manage the flow of materials and maintain the safe operating conditions. Their work helps prevent accidents and ensures that these complex facilities run efficiently while still optimizing the production output. Another industry that employs process control engineers is obviously the pharmaceutical industry, where precise control over manufacturing processes is crucial to ensuring the quality and safety of medicines. Process control engineers help maintain the exact conditions needed during drug production, such as temperature, pressure, and ingredient ratios, ensuring that the end products meet the strict regulatory standards and the purity of the products is never compromised. Thank you for watching. That was all for this video. And if you agree or disagree with any of the list provided in this video, then do tell us in the comments below. And do not forget to learn more about chemical engineering life at our website www.cheminglife.com, where you can learn more about our initiatives and what we are doing for the growing chemical engineering community. And lastly, Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Live for more videos. See you at our next video.